Yo, what's going on guys? Jacob here, and in this video I want to give you guys 5 money hacks to help you to improve and increase your income forever. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Jermaine Cobbins, online and network marketer, and do me a favor guys, alright? Go ahead and pound that subscribe button, alright? And if you guys get any value, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, alright? Let's dive into it. Let's talk about money, alright? Now, yes, this is a touchy subject, guys, and I get it. Regardless of your situation right now, you know, money may be tight. You may just got a raise at your job. Maybe you're, a 6-figure earner. It doesn't matter. Your belief around money, guys, is one of the main things that you can literally change to make a difference in your income, all right? And just speaking from personal experience, guys, that believe that, money's gonna send you to hell, money is the root of all evil, rich people are mean, just all the bad money habits that literally just kept money from me. So maybe you're doing some of these things that that is repelling money from you. So hopefully by the end of this video, guys, you will have 5 things that you can implement in your life that will help you to increase or improve your financial situation, all right? So let's go ahead and dive into it. So the first thing you got to do, guys, is change your belief around money, okay? You got to change your belief, guys. And like I just stated, my belief around money was basically negative. It was more scarcity. It was more that money was going to cause me harm and do more, inflict more pain. You hear that saying that, it's lonely at the top. Who wants to be alone, right? So the idea, guys, that I was brought up with this bad money belief. So you have to change your belief around money, okay? Now, here are a few things that you can actually do to start changing your belief around money, guys. First of all, get around people that has a little bit better income, all right? Now, this doesn't mean that they have just a high-paying job. This doesn't mean that they won the lottery. But what it means is you need to get around people, guys, that are successful. People that have created success. Because in order to create success, these people have a different mindset. They have more of an abundant mindset than a scarcity mindset. You can do things like, of course, get around people, right? Get a mentor, get a coach. You can start reading books around finances. A few books that I recommend, guys. Of course, The Richest Man in Babylon. Of course, if most people, I'm pretty sure if you're an entrepreneur, you have read this book, Think and Grow Rich. And also, guys, just speaking from a personal experience, when I was in over $30,000 worth of debt, the book that actually helped me to get out of debt was Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover, right? Now, keep in mind, you have the wealth that really talks about basically going after the money per se, and then you have more of the conservative type, investing in, stocks and mutual funds and things like that. So there are different levels of basically money out there for us in information, all right? So just kind of be, cognizant of that, guys, going out there into the world, all right? The second thing you want to do is stop judging others negatively about their money. How many times have you seen someone judge someone at your job that has a new vehicle, right? Oh, who's this big shot, right? Lucky them, right? Or what about your friend or someone on your social media that just purchased a new home, right? Whatever the case may be. How do you feel when other people are getting blessed? How do you feel when other people are winning? You have to stop judging others negatively about their money, because the thing is, guys, the energy that you give out typically is the energy that comes back to you. So when you're judging others about money and their success and their wins, guess what? I feel like money hears that. So money is not going to come to you because you have a negative association with money and people that's getting new homes, new cars, getting a promotion at their job, whatever the case may be. So, basically, man, that's another thing, guys. Just stop judging others. Be happy for someone that has that new car. Be happy for someone that just purchased their new home. Be happy for someone that just got promoted or that has that abundance flowing into their life, because your time is coming. Just understand that it's not going to come if you are judging others negatively. The third thing, guys, is learning how to release your money. This right here, guys, I promise you, this was a game changer for me, okay? And I know, it's hard to give away money when you're barely, eating yourself, when you're barely making ends meet, right? So it's not so much as money all around, but just learn how to give more, guys, right? A lot of times giving just changes our physiological state when it comes to money and the energy that we actually attract and, you know, put out, right? So when you give, guys, now I know myself, when I give, it makes me feel good, right? I'm the type of person that if I had more money, I would basically give more money, right? So I always do things like I may leave 20 bucks at the gas pump, right? I may pay for someone's grocery behind me, right? There's always little things that I do, guys. Regardless, it's not about having a lot of money in my bank account. It's not about, you know, taking my last to do. It's just the fact that when I have this on my heart to give or release money, you know, I have this belief that any money that I use, that money will return back to me multiplied in a never-ending cycle of increase. And that's just a belief that I have, guys. So learn how to release money, regardless of it, whether it's purchasing something for someone, whether it's investing in other people's courses, attending events, whatever it is, just begin to release money with the belief that it's going to return back to you multiplied. The fourth thing you want to do is begin thinking cash flow. So many times we think of we're going to spend our money, right? I don't even use the word spend in my vocabulary anymore. I only use or circulate. So the idea is you want to start thinking cash flow, because we always spending our money on things that's not going to give us a return. So when you start thinking cash flow, you begin to be a little bit more smarter with your money. You begin to put your money into things that's going to give you some type of ROI. You're going to put money into things that has the capability of bringing you value for longevity, right? When you start doing this, guys, literally it changes your mindset and you begin to think like wealthy people, right? You're getting rid of that poverty-minded thinking of the new shoes, or I got to get this new car, or I got to, you know, get a bigger home. You start really thinking more longevity term, or you start being a little bit more smarter with your money, and you're kind of thinking this cash flow, what's going to make more money come to me? So start thinking cash flow, guys, all right? And the last and final thing, guys, is develop saving habits right now, okay? I get it. You may be, you know, living check to check, barely making ends meet, whatever the case may be, but a lot of people think that when they begin to make more money, that they're gonna save more money. I know I used to think this, guy, so don't feel bad. But until I learned that regardless of how much money you have in the future, your habits are going to follow. So the best thing to do now is to start, you know, creating those habits as if you are wealthy, or if you were a multimillionaire. Whatever your goal of income is, how would you be if you were that person? Would you be traveling more? Would you be buying a car every, you know, year? Would you be buying a bigger home? Would you be just, you know, have a closet full of, you know, shoes? What is your habits? Because typically the way you save now would be the way that you would save if you was making 6 figures or making 7 figures. So the idea is understand that you have to start saving something now. You know, if you're getting 10 bucks and you have a problem like saving 2 bucks, like you eventually go mess with that 2 bucks, it's no different if you get 10,000. It's no different if you get 100,000. It doesn't matter. So develop saving habits right now, all right? So I hope you guys got value, man. I just shared with you guys 5 money hacks that can literally improve your income, guys. In the comments below, there are a few ways. If you guys are looking for ways to like literally make money from home, or just basically add some additional income streams to what you're currently doing, there should be some links below, guys. But other than that, I'm out of here. Hope you guys got value. If so, let me know what your biggest takeaway. Let me know what you struggle with right now. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you.